Okay, so we're going to begin our Easter egg project by searching for Fornasetti designs. I found some really fun Fornasetti plates online. There were so many things to choose from, I had a hard time actually narrowing it down. So the supplies you will need are your printed out Fornasetti designs. Now I stuck with about 1 inch in width and 1 inch in length for my designs. That worked out for me. You'll also need scissors, glue stick, paintbrush, Dixie Cups. And for this project, I decided to go with fake eggs. I picked up these do-it-yourself eggs from Walmart. I also had high gloss medium varnish that I had in my art kit. You could pick that up from any local art store. I believe I got mine from either Michael's or Joann's Fabrics. Next, you want to cut out the images and guesstimate where you want to place it. We want to make a makeshift stand for your egg. So next, take your Dixie cup and turn it upside down and cut out the center. Trust me, this step is going to make it a lot easier later when we're decorating the eggs. Take your glue stick and glue the back of the image, then carefully place it on the center of the egg. Now as you place the image on your egg, just concentrate on the center of the image. Do not press down on the sides. We are now going to need a Dixie cup filled with water and a clean cotton pad. Dip the pad into the water and gently press down on the image. I found this technique to work best to mold the image to the shape of the egg and reduce the amount of creasing. Now you don't want your cotton pad to be drenched with water. You want it to be slightly wet. We don't want to ruin the image. Now you want to take your paintbrush and dip it into the varnish. Now remember, a little goes a long way, so don't dunk it in there. Now I achieved my best results by using the varnish sparingly, so I suggest using thin coats. Now remember, this step is optional. I just really love the finished look of the varnish. There you have it, super easy. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. And hashtag Dear DOL and tag me at Dear DOL on Instagram and Twitter. I would love to see what you guys came up with when you recreate this. Thanks for watching. Till next time.